Remove high pressure hose from test cock 2.
So
Mm-hmm. Says open number 1 shut off valve.
open it up.
Repressurize it.
You know, I need to put this on 1.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, I was like,
Yeah.
oh, somebody got it, I think. Somebody turned it.
They put this on 1?
Open all gauge valves.
Oh.
Open them up.
Connect high pressure hose to number 1. Because that's the only one you move around at all, is the high pressure. This one's slightly different than that one, but not by much.
Not much, okay.
Not by much.
Alright.
Open test cock 1, expelling air from the gauge. There. Slightly open test. Oh wait, hold on. Let's skip a step. Close high pressure gauge valve.
High pressure.
Close number 1 shut off valve. Slightly open test cock 2 until the gauge needle begins to drop.
Okay.
You'll see that drop. Observe the gauge reading until the needle stops. So you just barely turn this thing on. This will pop, that'll hit. Oh no, it should just stop. That's right. Because that'll still pop, but
There you go.
it won't go any lower. So bam, what's that, like 2.5, 3?
Yep, 2.5, 3.
Record, okay, record the